Hey, what's going on, y'all? Um, I wanted to do a motivational video for those who probably aware over the weekend. I think it was Friday. Matter of fact, I think it was this past Friday. Uh, so, excuse me for this late video, but I wanted to put this out there. Before I go any further, make sure you like this video and you hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date when I post new content. Alright, so everybody know about the fiasco that took place last week with the election, right? Now, this video isn't to bash a candidate and support the other. I don't know what side you may be on. Neither do I care. That's your American right. Okay. Um, for those that's in the U.S. But this is what I want to tell you guys. Okay. Use this time wisely. Okay. Learn new skill sets. Learn how to market online. Learn how to do affiliate marketing. Learn something new. All right. Because this is what I see happening in the future. Okay, I'm no psychic or nothing, but I see us having possibly another shutdown. Okay, which means we'll be back at square one like we were in March. Okay, for those that remember what happened in March, all of the shutdowns, people had to stay at home and quarantine. Okay, here's the thing: do not allow this election to get in your way, to discourage you, to make you feel like you have no hope. All right. Another thing, make sure that you understand. Okay. Make sure you understand that a lot of these people that are in those positions, politics, you know, Senate, House, presidents, do not depend on these people to take care of you and your family. All right. And I'm saying that to say this. You got a lot of people right now bumping heads. A lot of people clashing, deleting each other off Facebook, blocking each other from contacting them. You know, family members, friends, relationships getting torn apart over this stuff. I'm gonna tell you something. No matter if it's Trump or Biden or whomever, neither of those people are gonna pay your bills. Okay? Don't allow that to be the dividing force because you never know. That person that you just severed ties with may, it could be your sister, brother, girlfriend, boyfriend, best friend, childhood friend, right? You may need them one day. They may need you one day. That was one of the reasons that y'all became friends, built a friendship, built something to where when things came up, you guys can help each other as friends, right? Don't allow this stuff to break y'all up, okay? Because at the end, those people are behind the scenes playing golf. They're just pulling strings and getting all of these emotional reactions, and we're being divided here with this mess. Okay, so stay focused, y'all. Learn a new skill set. Okay, learn something new. Implement new skills. Learn marketing. Stop being lazy. Stay consistent, and you will win. All right. So that's what I wanted to do today. I just wanted to talk to y'all about that, and hopefully you can find the courage to call those people, and you guys can put differences aside, because neither of those candidates are going to pay your bills. Remember that. Stay focused. Let's make the rest of this 2020 count. Let's go beyond. See you guys on the other side.